and today we are at Vagamon. Vagamon, as you know, everybody knows that Vagamon it's called as the Scotland of India. It's upcoming touristic destination. Vagamon, it's a hill station, and it is near to Alapi, as well as it's near to Kochi, and it's almost near to Munnar and Thekadi. So Vagamon is a upcoming touristic destination of South India. And today we are introducing a new resort called Sun and Lake View Resort, and this place is very nice, and the staff and the food and also the amenities, they are not charging much more, but which is very reasonable, okay, because we are coming on in this Christmas time, and the rates are pretty lower when compared to the other hotels in the Vagamon. This place is very nice, and they have a dormitory facilities as well, okay. So everybody like to visit in Vagamon, please visit this resort. It is very good, and the service and especially the staff was excellent, okay. So and the food and the service, everything is good, and it's a new resort. They are built like around 1.5 years, I believe. So it's a new resort, so we welcoming all to come to stay this resort. It's very nice, okay. So thank you so much, and we can see the videos of this resort, okay. Welcome back to the channel.